In the constantly changing world of cryptocurrency, every new day brings a new opportunity. For many people, earning crypto without investing any money might sound like a dream. Yet, this dream has already become a reality for thousands of people who know where to look and how to act fast. Today, you will learn about one of the easiest ways to start your crypto journey: claiming free airdrops. A crypto airdrop is a marketing strategy used by new blockchain projects to distribute free tokens to early users. Instead of spending large amounts on advertising, these projects prefer to reward real people who take the time to engage with them. In other words, airdrops are a win-win situation. The project gains exposure, and users receive free tokens that might become valuable in the future. What is a crypto airdrop and how does it work? A crypto airdrop works in a very simple way. A project announces that it will distribute a certain amount of tokens to users who complete specific tasks. These tasks are usually easy and quick, such as following the project's social media accounts, joining their Telegram group, or subscribing to their newsletter. After completing the steps, users submit their crypto wallet address to receive their free tokens once the campaign ends. For example, many major blockchain projects like Uniswap, Arbitrum, and Optimism started by giving away free tokens to their early supporters. At the time, those tokens were worth only a few dollars. Months later, their value grew dramatically, turning small rewards into hundreds or even thousands of dollars for those who claimed them early. This shows why airdrops are more than just free coins. They can become the foundation of a successful investment strategy for people who understand how to spot the right opportunities. Why you should claim airdrops. There are several reasons why participating in airdrops makes sense, especially for beginners. First, it allows you to collect valuable tokens without risking your own money. Second, it gives you the chance to explore new blockchain projects before they become popular. Many people who participated in early airdrops later became active members or investors in those projects, benefiting both financially and professionally. Airdrops also help you understand how the crypto ecosystem works. By joining different communities, using new wallets, and exploring decentralized applications, you gain real experience that most beginners lack. In many cases, these skills become useful later when you start trading, staking, or investing in other projects. How to claim a free crypto airdrop today. To claim an airdrop safely, follow these steps carefully. Find a verified project. Always check the official website and social media channels to ensure the project is legitimate. Avoid random links shared by unknown users or suspicious websites. Prepare your crypto wallet. Use a secure wallet such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. It is recommended to create a new wallet specifically for airdrops to reduce risk. Complete the required tasks. Most projects will ask you to follow their accounts, share a post, or join a community. Do not skip steps, as missing one may disqualify you from receiving tokens. Submit your wallet address. After completing the tasks, enter your public wallet address in the official form provided by the project. Wait for the distribution period. Some airdrops send tokens instantly, while others distribute them after a few weeks. Be patient and keep track of the project's announcements. How to stay safe. While airdrops are an easy way to earn free tokens, the crypto space is filled with scams. Protect yourself by following these basic rules. Never share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone. Avoid connecting your wallet to suspicious websites. Always double-check URLs before submitting information. Use a separate wallet for airdrops to isolate potential risks. If a project asks for payment, access to your private keys, or any personal documents without reason, it is most likely a scam. A genuine airdrop will never require you to pay to receive free tokens. The potential of airdrops. Airdrops have changed the lives of many people who took them seriously. In the early days of DeFi and NFT projects, some users earned thousands of dollars simply because they interacted with platforms before they became famous. For instance, users who claimed the Uniswap airdrop in 2020 received 400 Uni tokens. At that time, the value was around $1,200. Months later, those same tokens were worth more than $10,000. Similar stories happened with Arbitrum, Optimism, and other major projects. No one can predict which new project will succeed, but joining verified airdrops regularly increases your chances of catching the next big one. Final thoughts. Free crypto airdrops are one of the simplest and most effective ways to enter the world of cryptocurrency. They require no investment, only a bit of time, curiosity, and consistency. Many successful investors today started exactly this way, by exploring new projects and claiming free tokens long before those tokens gained value. If you are serious about growing your crypto portfolio, start acting today. Follow trusted sources, verify every project, and stay consistent. Opportunities come and go quickly in this market, but those who act early are the ones who benefit the most. Claim your free crypto airdrop today, secure your tokens, and take your first real step into the world of digital finance. What seems small today might be the beginning of something far greater tomorrow.